some brakes, gas tank.
Maybe a seat.
You don't need a seat.
Milk crate.
No, God, it's just the hay bales.
Hay
Up here.
bales. No, they're flammable.
Mint. All original.
Brake lights are in good shape. Everything's in good shape. Just try and attach it to what's already there.
Well, except we're gonna have to. There's only one line coming out that master, so why not?
No, because you get a different proportion valve, so the back line goes into the back
Right,
proportion
yeah.
valve. Then you'll have your
Yeah, because it must
holes
just
to the front.
tee off somewhere up there then
It
to go
tees
front.
off at the front. It has 4 brake lines, or 1 brake line coming in and 3 lines going out.
Yeah. Well, one of those ones on the framer, like on that Chevrolet or whatever.
That will get one like that.
Yeah.
Because right now it just has like a T.
Mm.
All right. What's progress here?
Well, old both plant. Well,
The dog
Gross.
licks your ear while you work.
Wet Willie. It's just perfect.
you're a flat screwdriver.
I give up.
Mark stole my creeper. Can't get in there.
Yeah, I had it.
What are you
probably
doing?
Like 800 feet up
Trying to
in
get the
air.
fuel filler neck off.
You can see
Ow.
all the push.
He just has to be close to me.
Coming.
Light ED straps.
Okay, dog. Sean, scooch the dog over here. This way.
He's good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Great.
we need new fuel, like rubber filler neck.
Great
That smells
success.
That's why we're getting a new gas tank.
Varnish.
Smells like dinner.
Yep.
Okay, put it in.
Oh yeah, you got one of those inside door stroke things.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, but if the outside's good and you hot see it, the inside should be fine. If there's any holes, you're gonna find it when you hot see it.
Oh no, we'll have to look at it.
Get to it.
It's easier to just get a new one.
That's too easy.
All right, back to the Impala. We got one side taken off.
There's new brakes on it. We machined a drum on it, so we didn't have to buy new ones. We got new brake shoes, new springs and hardware kit, new wheel cylinder. Everything's all cleaned up, lubed up, put back together. And yeah, we're just waiting for the drums. Gotta paint it. Fender pieces up here. Take them off the gold, silver, whatever card.
Gold, silver, whatever.
Goldish.
Titanium, heater.
So we've decided to paint these drums red.
No black.
Oh, sorry, black.
Should be kicking the bucket. Coming down. Okay, we're gonna take these tires, let the air out, break them down, take the tires off, go sandblast the rims, and then we're gonna paint them. Gotta turn the air on.
Alright, so we're getting set up here to do the other side. We got the drum off. We got our parts here. We're gonna take that drum over to the lathe. And we'll just let it do its thing for the next little bit. In the meantime, we're gonna go take those tires and rims we broke down, go sandblast them, give them a coat of paint, come back, finish the other side of brakes.
You maybe see in there.
Oh yeah, we can see.
Whatever this stuff is, it wasn't meant to come off really easy. That's the real paint. If they were repainted, it would have fallen off.
Good job, good job.
Yeah.
Alright, rims are sandblasted. Time to put some paint on them. Just a little preview of what it's going to look like.
I like it because